Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day today. For today's video, I have my February favorites, and I don't have too many products, but I don't know, I always like to do favorites videos every month, and just because, I don't know, it's kind of fun to see what products you've been kind of reaching for and loving lately. So, like I said, I don't have that many products, but I'm going to start off with the skincare product, or I guess miscellaneous product, and that is the Josie Maran Light Argan Oil, and I haven't been using this like on my face or anything like that, but I've actually been using this in my eyebrows. This eyebrow in particular, I have like a bald patch, or the eyebrow hair like in the center like is really short, so I've been really trying to grow that out, and this has been helping. I just mainly use this on a Q-tip, and then at night I just swipe it through my eyebrows, and that seems to help. I've also been using on a Q-tip with this, and I've just been putting it on the ends of my eyelashes. I've been only doing that the last couple nights, so don't really know if it's really doing anything, but I can tell you for the eyebrows that it has. But for my eyelashes, I've been trying to do that because I just want to have longer lashes, and one thing I will say though is be careful if you're using this near your eyes, because if you get it in your eye, it will sting and burn. So just be careful with that, and you know, if you just get it on the very ends of your eyelashes, you should be fine. But yeah, try not to get it in your eye. But yeah, I've been loving the Josie Maran light version of the argan oil. Alright, moving on to makeup. The first product is this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint Foundation, and I do wear the shade Natural Ivory 20, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of it. Been using this like as my everyday foundation, and what I like about this is it's not super full coverage or anything. It's not full coverage whatsoever, which I personally don't like full coverage foundations. I feel like it clogs my pores and makes me break out. But I actually really like the wand of this. I find that it's very easy to apply. I just kind of dot it all over my face and then blend it out with my beauty blender. And yeah, I've been really enjoying this product, and unfortunately Neutrogena does test on animals, so I won't be repurchasing it. But for now, I have been enjoying it and loving it, so there's that. Okay, this next product shouldn't come as a surprise really, because in the haul video I stated that I love it, and this is the Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow in Kitten Karma. This is stunning. I've been using this literally every single day. I absolutely love this. I don't know what took me so long to try this product, but I'm so happy I did. I've actually been using this so much, I've been kind of trying not to use it so much because I use it like every single day, and I love it, and it is quite pricey for what it is, but there's nothing like it in my opinion, and I'm so happy I tried this. But this is what it looks like. The applicator is just kind of like a lip gloss applicator, honestly, like a doe foot applicator, except it's just like a straight up and down. It's not curved or slanted or anything. But this is stunning. I would highly recommend checking this out if you haven't, and I love it so much. An eyeshadow palette that I've been loving is the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I've been kind of switching between this one and the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Been kind of alternating between the two, but I've been loving this palette. This is one of my all-time favorite palettes. I've actually hit pan on the shade Primavera down here. I don't know how well the camera is picking it up, but yeah, I absolutely love this palette. There's nothing negative I would say about this palette. I use every single shade. It's incredible, and love the packaging. I just love everything about this palette. So yeah, if you've never tried the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, you need to go at least and swatch it, because it's that amazing and good. A blush I've been loving is from Tarte. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Party. And this came as the Sephora birthday gift, not this year, but last year. And this is what it looks like. I feel like this is just the perfect like everyday blush. Whatever look you're going for, you can definitely throw this on and it will kind of complete the look. It's not too much. I feel like the shade will work for everybody. Just kind of like a dusty rose pink shade. It's nothing too crazy, but on the skin and cheeks it just makes your makeup look on point, and I love it so much. And then the last product I have is a highlighter, and this is kind of a rediscovered favorite of mine. This is the Ofra Beverly Hills highlighter, and I love this highlighter. This is like, if you want a wham bam in your face highlighter, get this because it's incredible. Every single shade in here works for me, which you might be like, well, that's like way too gold, that's like way too dark for your skin, but mixing and matching these shades, it just works. Like if I want to wear a dark gold shade, I just mix it with this kind of like white pearl shade, and it somehow works for my skin, and I love this. I love swirling all the shades together. I just feel like this is such a universal highlighter, and you can do so much with it. I've even one that's on my eyes, like as eyeshadow, and it just like is an all-in-one product. I feel like if you were traveling, this would be amazing because you would literally have your like eyeshadow and highlighter like in one, and I love it. I'm not too crazy about the packaging though, so I don't know how well it would travel actually with it being like plastic, but you know, if you packed it well, I think it would be fine. But yeah, those are my February favorites for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please let me know what some of your favorites were down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.